Discover the best-kept secrets in Nottingham's student housing with Amber. Uncover top student accommodations starting from £150 to £200 per week as we bring you hidden gems that most students miss in their housing hunt. These accommodations are in no particular rank or order, so no matter which gem you pick, you will have a rich experience. Here's us diving straight into the enchanting world of Nottingham's best-kept secrets. Mansion Place. The first gem on our list is Mansion Place, which gives you the perfect homely vibe with every facility at your service. They offer a wide range of ensuite rooms and studios to choose from, while Nottingham Trent University being just a short walk away. With useful facilities like secure bike storage, contents insurance, a laundry room, and high-speed Wi-Fi, your stay here will be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Plus, you can have a great time at a variety of bars and eateries like 45-50 miles from Delhi and Street Food Club. Number 2. Archer House. Discover the perfect heaven for students in Nottingham at Archer House. Embrace your ideal blend of privacy and community with stylish studios or cozy ensuite rooms. Nestled at Castle Gate, the property is within a short walk from Nottingham Trent International College. On weekends, unlock a world of exploration with nearby attractions like Motor Point Arena, City of Caves, and Arboretum. Number 3. Curzon House. Located on the popular Curzon Street, this is Curzon House, a student accommodation where you don't need to settle for less. With a short walk to Nottingham Trent University, the property offers a wide range of en-suites to choose from. With common amenities like a cinema room, a games area, and study pod. You can also hang out at Fox Cafe and Sands Pantry Restaurant, serving finger-licking dishes. Number 4. Moorgate House. Ideal for young learners embarking on their academic journey, this is your home away from home. Providing you with a variety of en-suites, the property has such needful yet fun amenities like a lush green garden, secured bike storage, and car parking. Hop on a bus from Nether Street and get to the University of Nottingham within a short breezy ride. Set on Middle Street in Beeston Town Centre, the property is in close proximity to exciting venues like the Crown Inn Pub and Amour's Italian Restaurant. Number 5. Radford Mill. Nottingham has some of the most distinct properties, and we are serving you with the best. Radford Mill is a fantastic student accommodation that has studios, townhouses, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, and the list goes on. Apart from that, the property also has a well-equipped gym, an outdoor courtyard, a games area, and a common lounge to have all the quirky yet cherished memories. Walk for less than a kilometer and you will reach Nottingham Trent International College. With restaurants like Joe's Pancake House and Mama Papa's Walk, you won't have a single unplanned weekend. Number 6. Trinity Square. Live in the heart of the city and say for yourself. If you dream to have it all in a city like Nottingham, but still manage to have a value-for-money accommodation, Trinity Square is a sure shot for you. The property presents en-suites and studios with an outdoor courtyard, a communal lounge, 24/7 on-site staff, and more. With just a 6-minute walk from Nottingham Trent University, you'll also be close to highly rated eateries like Bill's Nottingham Restaurant and the Soulville Steakhouse. And that's a wrap, folks, until our paths cross again. Remember to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the magic with Amber. Subscribe to Amber to get a notification on our latest videos.